Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save a CapCut template so you can easily use it later. Let's get started. If you have the link to the template, simply tap on it and it will open directly in CapCut. But if you don't have the link, open the CapCut app, tap on Template, and browse through the available options. You can also use the search bar at the top to find a specific template. Once you select a template, look for the Save or Favorite icon at the bottom. Tap on it, and the template will be saved to your favorites. A message will confirm that it has been added. To access your saved templates, go to the Me section in the app, and you will find them under Favorites. From there, you can select any template and use it whenever you need. And that's it. Now you know how to save CapCut templates.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.